Introducing the latest Laifen breakthrough. 33% slimmer and lighter than its peers, yet every bit as powerful. The Laifen Mini brings high-speed hair dryers into a new era. Powered by a groundbreaking miniaturized motor, the Mini's optimized airflow structure reduces air resistance, increases airflow, and modulates the sound level, all while maintaining Laifen's iconic power and performance. For the first time, we've applied a texture coating to the hairdryer's body, giving it a fine-grained feel. The Mini weighs just 299 grams and has a balanced design for a comfortable grip. Its smart temperature control ensures consistent temperatures. And its negative ion generator neutralizes static and smooths hair cuticles, leaving every strand soft and shiny. The innovative child mode delivers warm airflows that are gentle on children's hair. The Laifen Mini high-speed hairdryer combines portability and power into a single package. No matter where you go, it's ready to go with you. Mini but mighty. This is the Laifen Mini.